Boom, 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 boom. Welcome one and all to week 12 of Monster Truck Football. This week's matchup, we have the Baltimore Ravens taking on the Atlanta Falcons. Let's meet the teams. For the Ravens, we have Bad News Travels Fast, Reptoid, and Spinks Truck. For the Falcons, Special Delivery, Nitro Circus, and Crush Station. For the Falcons, we have Josh. For the Ravens, we have Emmanuel. No Matty, no Johnny this week. No time for interviews or special guests. With 2 games per week, we're just going to play some straight up football. Without further ado, let's flip the coin. All right, I actually have a real coin this week. We have a quarter. Josh, call it in the air.
Tails never fails.
Tails never fails, except this time. It's heads.
Are you serious?
Yep. Manny?
Receive.
Wants to receive. Let's line them up, boys. We're running 10-minute quarters with a running clock. That clock only stops for timeouts and the end of the quarter. All right, and the first quarter officially begins. Josh is on defense. Looks like Reptoid has the ball.
Ready, go. Go.
Reptoid with a run. Ooh! Down to the 10.
Ready, go. Go.
With a run. Ooh! Down to the 10. Pretty good. Ravens already with a timeout. They're going to attempt their field goal here in the first quarter. All right, we're back to the barrel this week. No more socket. I kind of like the sound of that socket, though.
I do too. I like that.
And it's setting up carefully for the Ravens. Ravens for the field goal. Oh, I don't think he made it. And after further review, that kick was no good. Man, we don't even have Sarge this week. Score remains 0-0.
You ready for this minnow?
We gave it a gratuitous stop on the clock for that review. What?
W.
Clock's running. Falcons
Ready?
ball.
Oh, I can go.
Got it. Crush station. Oh, he stopped. Got it. Station. Oh, he stopped. Score remains 0-0. All right, it's Ravens ball. Who's Manny? Oh, Manny's got the Spinks truck from Blazing the Monster Machines.
Go. Bingo.
Spinks truck. Ooh, Spinks truck is hit down at about the 12-yard line.
Go. Bingo.
Spinks truck. Spinks truck is hit. Still a scoreless game. Just under 7 minutes on the clock.
Ready, go.
Special delivery. Delivers the package. Touchdown. Falcons. I wasn't recording. And we may need to fire the camera guy. I forgot to record again. At least we had the overhead. Touchdown, Falcons. With that touchdown, Falcons make it 6-0. Going for 2. Special delivery again. Oh, wait a second. Lost his helmet. Fumbled the ball. Hey, wait a second. On a fumble. No, he wouldn't be able to run it back for
2 points.
Could he run it back for 2 points?
You can't run it back. It's just.
Just a dead ball. There is no run back on a 2-point conversion. Score remains 6-0. Falcons are up. Already down to 4:36 on the clock. Ravens getting set up with the ball.
Go. Go.
Boom! Ooh, Reptoid hit midfield and stopped.
Go. Go.
Josh, you thought you were
Bad news travels fast.
Bad news travels fast. Josh thought he was going to have some scrubs at the beginning of this game. You got some great defensive players.
Yeah, man.
Those guys that go all over the place that are unpredictable are the best ones for defense. 3 minutes and 50 seconds on the clock. Falcons can put their guy back on there. Looks like special delivery's getting it again. Ravens are already set up on defense. I feel like this game's a little too serious. Special delivery with the ball. Distraction. Special delivery's hit. Distraction. He's put on his top. Great stop. Looks like we have a great defensive game brewing here, guys. Score remains 6-0. Falcons lead it. Down to 2 minutes and 22 seconds on the clock. Ravens ball. Sphinx truck. Sphinx truck right in the end zone for the touchdown. Sphinx truck. Truck right in the end zone for the touchdown. And with that score, it's all tied up. 6-6. Minute 19 on the clock. Looks like Ravens are going for 2. Sphinx truck carrying it up high into the end zone. Great run. Sphinx truck carrying it into the end zone. Great run. And Ravens, a 2-point conversion. Make it 8-6. Down to 28 seconds in the first quarter. Uh-oh. Josh drops the helmet. Trying to get the playoff in time. 20 seconds. Special delivery with the ball. Backwards. Go. Here it comes. Great run. Always hit. Go. Here it comes. Stop short.
Field goal.
Oh, great timeout for the field goal. 6 seconds on the clock. Falcons setting up for a 21-yard field goal to end the first quarter. Falcons set up. Special delivery for the kick. It's up. Ooh, I couldn't tell. After further review, that kick was no good. And we end the first quarter. Score remains 8-6. Ravens are up. We'll be right back after this. And we're back to start the second quarter. Our score, Ravens 8, Falcons 6. Falcons ball.
Ravens ball.
Oh, Ravens ball. My bad.
Go.
Sphinx truck again. Sphinx truck right in the end zone. Sphinx truck again. Sphinx truck right in the end zone. Ooh, he could be shaping up to be a great one. All right, with that score, the Ravens make it 14-6. Ravens going for 2 points. Sphinx truck again. Wow, good curve. Definitely wasn't in there though. Sphinx truck again. Wow, good curve. Definitely wasn't in there though. Went out of bounds. Tried to dive in. No score. 7 minutes and 50 seconds in the second quarter. Falcons ball. Where'd he go? Nitro Circus. Oh, great run. Touchdown, Nitro Circus. Where'd he go? Nitro Circus. Great run. Touchdown, Nitro Circus. The most unlikely player to score?
Scored.
Scored. Without a doubt, he is the most weebly wobbly truck in the draft.
Oh, yeah.
Which might be a good thing. Manny talking to himself, strategizing. 12-14. Falcons going with Nitro Circus again. Going for 2. Backwards. What's he gonna do?
Oh.
Great cut. Backwards. Two points are good. Never know, man. Never know how these trucks are going to go. Tie game, 14 up. 5:18 on the clock. Ravens ball. Sphinx truck again. Right in the end zone, man. He's fast. He even popped the wheelie. And with that touchdown, Ravens go up 20-14. Down to 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Ravens going for 2 with a Sphinx truck. Oh, stop cold. Oh, stop cold. About the 50-yard line, special delivery, delivered to hit. Score remains 20-14. 3 minutes and 33 seconds on the clock. Falcons ball. Fresh Station's got. He's slow and stopped. Fresh Station's got. He's slow and stopped. 2 minutes and 22 seconds on the clock. Falcons on defense. Ravens ball.
Go.
So Reptoid has it. Reptoid. Oh, he tries to plow through there, but he stopped. Oh, he tries to plow through there, but he stopped. Score remains 14-20. Ravens still lead it. Down to a minute 47, 46. Falcons are about to be set up. Ravens better be ready. Falcons are up there. Here comes special delivery. Oh, he's hit and stopped. Special delivery. .42 seconds on the clock. Ravens fall. Sphinx truck. Sphinx truck's hit and stopped at the 20. Sphinx truck's hit and stopped at the 20. I think the Ravens might have forgot something there, but I'm not saying nothing. Falcons ball. Push station. Oh, timeout with 1 second. Josh just gets over there. He almost loses it and goes in the pool.
Yeah.
Great stoppage, Josh. What is that? That's
Like
about
a
wow.
It's like a 47.
That's like a 47-yard field goal.
I'll do it.
Right.
If you can do this, I'll give you $5.
Woo! Now he'll just get 3 points. Falcons are lined up for a very long 46-yarder. 45-yarder. 46-yarder. Ready when you are, Josh. What's up? Ooh, it looked good. Definitely have to go to replay on that one. I'm not sure what the longest field goal is, but Josh, that was good. Right over the pole. Josh with a 46-yard field goal in the books. Makes it 17-20. Ravens still lead it.
Oh, I get ball back.
And with
Oh,
that,
yeah.
the half comes to an end. We'll see you right after the halftime show.
Because you know that I will see you around campus.
And the majority of them were born in 1999. Graduates, you were born at the conclusion of the last century, but you lived your life fully in the next.
Merit designation. Joshua Adrian and Blackburn. Israel Michael Ross. Merit designation.
And we're back to start the second half. Clock's running. Score is 17-20. Ravens lead it. Falcons ball. Nitro Circus. Oh, good run. Ooh, down to the 30. Nitro Circus. Oh, good run. Ooh. Ravens ball.
Go.
Big struck into the end zone. Too fast for
I had to catch it real quick. Was that hot?
And with that score, Ravens make it 26-17. Going for two. There's a spike truck. Ooh, he's hit, but he still scores. There's a spike truck. Ooh, he's hit, but he still scores. Great run.
I would have got you.
I know you
My
would've.
truck got caught on the edge of.
And the Ravens go up 28-17. Clock's still running. 7 minutes and 17 seconds already in the third quarter. We're losing daylight here. We're going to play through it. Falcons ball.
Go.
Great run. Oh, he screamed. Oh, what a hit.
Go.
Great run. Oh, he screamed. Oh. 6 minutes and 29 seconds. I miss Johnny. Ravens ball.
Go. 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 Go.
Spinks has it. Ooh, Spinks is stopped short. Great hit right before the end zone.
Go. Go. Go.
Ooh, Spinks is stopped short. Great hit right before the end zone. Goal line stance there. Not sure what truck put the hit on him, but definitely saved a touchdown. Great defense. That Spinks is a superstar.
He's a hard hitter.
Yeah, he is. Plays both sides of the ball well. 5 minutes and 10 seconds left. Falcons are set up on offense. Nitro Circus getting the ball.
Go.
Nitro Circus makes the cut, but he's stopped. Circus makes the cut, but he's stopped. Score remains 17-28. It's twilight time, guys. 4 minutes and 10 seconds on the clock. Ravens ball. Daniel travels fast. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
You didn't get this hit by one.
Hey,
Or two.
he was hit so hard he got hit right out of the picture. That was incredible.
He got hit by 3 guys at once. That was bad.
Crazy, I was doing my best to follow him, but all of a sudden, he wasn't there anymore. Ravens set up on defense. 3 minutes and 15 seconds in the third quarter. Falcons ball.
Where do you?
Nitro Circus. Nitro Circus with the cut.
Where do you?
Nitro Circus. Circus with the cut. Stop short. 2 minutes and 23 seconds on the clock. Ravens ball.
Go. Go. Go.
And he travels fast right into the end zone. Beautiful run. Right into the end zone. Beautiful run. Untouched. And with that score, Ravens go up 34-17. Seem to be running away with this game. Ravens going for 2. He travels fast again. Right in the end zone. Right in the end zone. Fresh station, a little late on defense. Man, dives right in.
I put 3 guys on my track and I had to take them off.
Oh. I don't know what that noise was. And with that 2-point conversion, Ravens make it 36-17. Third quarter is running down. 27 seconds left. Falcons ball. 20 seconds.
20 seconds? What?
Station. Oh, gets trapped behind his own guy. Hey, good timeout. Can you get it? 9 seconds left. Falcons lined up for the field goal. Ready when you are, Josh. Up, it's no good. Just a little bit wide left. No good. And that's the end of the third quarter. Ravens lead it 36, Falcons 17. Be right back after this. Back. Clock starts in the fourth quarter. Ravens ball. And he's setting up some trickery. Falcons ready on D.
Go.
He's calling his blocker. stopped at the 20, 15. Score remains 36-17. I think Sphinx Truck is way too fast to run behind somebody. 9 minutes left. Ravens setting up on D. Falcons ball.
Special delivery.
Delivery. Oh, he falls over.
Special delivery.
Oh, he falls over. Good run, though. Still plenty of time for a comeback. Anything can happen in Monster Truck football. 8 minutes and 20 seconds left on the clock over there. 7 minutes and 45 seconds left on the clock. Ravens ball.
Go. Go. Go.
Travels fast right into the end zone. Great run.
Go. Go. Go.
Fast right into the end zone. Great run. Wow. Man, he's got two good runners. 42-17. They are running away with it. Not sure if that was a legal play.
That was not legal.
Let's
at
go
all.
to Sarge. Sarge is not over there. I say not legal. No good.
What'd he do? I went like this.
He just dropped it on the track. He didn't even line him up. Ball start on the offense. 2-point conversion is no good. Score remains 42-17.
When I did it, I was like, that was kind of cool. And then I thought about it, I was like, that probably is not legal.
5 minutes and 40 seconds left on the clock. Falcons fall.
Where'd he go?
Metro Circus, good run. Oh, he stopped just short.
Where'd he go?
Good run. Oh, he stopped just short. Hangs on to it, though. Josh throwing a little tantrum over there. Man, he weebled and wobbled, and he got stuck. Seemed like he cut right back into that tackle. 5 minutes left on the clock. Hurry up, guys, before the bugs come. Ravens getting set up with the ball. Falcons are already ready on defense. Four minutes and 23 seconds on the clock. Time is running out. Got it. Reptoid. Oh, Reptoid stopped. Reptoid stopped at the 45-yard line. Great stop. 42-17.
4 minutes left.
4 minutes on the clock. And 3 minutes and 36
I got it, coach.
Hold on. What is this? Ooh.
First
Fresh
month.
Station carrying the ball between his claws. Might work out good. Why not? Hey, 42-17. Might as well do whatever it takes. That could be the determining factor of whether he gets it over the goal line or not. Go for it, Josh. Fresh Station runs a little better. Oh, the ball pops out. Fresh Station. Where'd the ball go? Oh, I got it. Ball popped out. Bink. Hey, he went for it. Might have fumbled forward. Who knows?
Oh, man. John, what did I tell you before you left?
I'm over here to
I'm
see.
over here like this. I knew it was coming. Where's the ball?
Oh no, I smeared the Ravens a little bit.
Oh,
42-17 still. 2 minutes and 30 seconds left on the clock. I think we'll get a playoff before the 2-minute warning.
What's it at?
Ravens. Yep, 2 minutes and 20 seconds. We'll get it off. If the Ravens hurry. Spinks truck with the ball.
What?
Spinks truck running by himself and scores on your entire team. You don't have to have 3 players up there. Great run. Spinks truck running by himself and scores on your entire team.
I tried to get it before the
Now
2
that's some confidence.
I think he might take a trip
Man.
to the pool.
With that touchdown, the Ravens make it 48-17. Going for the 2-point conversion before we go to 2-minute warning. Got him popping a wheelie. Spinks truck, catwalks it. Look at how easy. Walks like an Egyptian right into the end zone. Spinks truck, catwalk. Look at how easy. Walks like an Egyptian. And with that 2-point conversion, Ravens make it 50-17. That big 5-0. We'll be back right after this. And we're back. 2-minute warning's over. We're already at 1:33 while these guys set up. Ravens on defense. Falcons are ready. They can go. Rush Station's got it. Brings it in, but I think he fumbled.
He fumbled.
Oh my goodness.
He
I think he
fumbled.
fumbled right before he got in. Let's go to replay. Falcons are ready. They can go. Rush Station's got it. Brings it in, but I think he fumbled.
He fumbled.
Oh my goodness,
He
I think he fumbled. Oh no, after further review, Crush Station lost the ball on his way into the end zone for his first touchdown. Just celebrated a little bit too early. Josh is nearing the pool with 1:10 on the clock. Josh, tough break. That's what you get for giving it to the Blue Lobster. Uh-oh, thunder.
Lightning.
50 seconds left in the game. 50-17. Ravens lead it. Ravens ball. Spinks truck has got it.
Mater taught us.
Spinks truck backwards. Spinks truck is hit. Whiplashed.
Mater taught us.
Spinks truck backwards. Spinks truck is hit. Whiplashed. Down at the 29-yard line. 25 seconds to go. Will the Falcons get a playoff? They're hustling. Ravens better be ready. 17 seconds left. Oh, wait a second. Crush Station. Oh, come on. Crush Station loses the ball again. It was his to win. Or him to score. His to score. And he blew it.
Ooh, that's game 2.
On the field.
That's it. Game over, guys. No time left on the clock. Beautiful game. Straightforward. Nothing but football that game. No shenanigans, really. Good job, Manny.
Thanks, man.
Another good win. Josh? I can't quite tell if you're feeling happy or sad.
Well, I like lobster.
Hey, maybe that lobster needs to go in the pool this week.
Ready, team!
Don't do it! No! Oh, the lobster goes for a swim. Or Crush Station. Oh, Josh dropping the big elbow right on Crush Station. Oh, and body slamming him into the water. Hey, Josh, he's got to play another game.
What?
He's got to play another game, remember.
Yeah, left.
All right, guys. That's it for this game. It was an awesome game. Ravens take this one. Final score, 17 for the Falcons, 50 for the Ravens. Great game. We'll see you Saturday. Take care. All right, Manny.
See you guys.
Bye.
Redeem yourself!
Oh,
Come on, man!
Crush.
Oh, come on!
Crush Station loses the ball again.